right down the road from my house, same neighborhood in Lexport, and we're gonna check out this little unit for sale.
Hello, sir. Come in.
All right.
Come in. That is the garage.
Okay, let's check this out. We got a narrow but long garage. Looks like it runs the length of the house. We've got a nice big water tank for the house. Place to clean up. Okay, you even have a screen door, nice tiles. Here's your view out the window. You step back, here's your ceiling, your windows to the garage. So, little sized living room. It's well lit. Coming back here to the left, you're gonna have a CR. It's all finished, and you got your kitchen with your tile top and your aluminum cabinets here. Got some metal work, and going up the stairs, directly into the next CR. This one's got a nice tile finish to it. Nothing to do in here. Okay, heading into the master bedroom. Okay, to the right here, probably have room for your dresser, things like that. And in here you have room for your bed. You've got two windows here. Got plenty of electrical plugs here, which is always important. And one over here. So your wardrobe can go here, and your bed over here. And this is your bedroom. And you got this area here. And your balcony. Yeah, and you've got a good view of the mountains here. If you get this place, the first thing that I would recommend doing is cutting these bars off here so that you can see unobstructed there. But I could see you having coffee here, relaxing. And this is the neighborhood. Okay, going back in off the balcony. Okay, heading back down the stairs. And what was the asking price?
4.5.
Okay, if you decide you want this place, let me know in the comments. Give me a like, subscribe. 4.5 million. Let me know. I'll get you set up with a good tour of the building and see if you like it. And we'll introduce you to our agent.
Yeah.
And she can tell you all about it. And your name is?
Mercy. Hi.
Okay, so you can let Mercy can take you on a walkthrough and you can see if you like it. And the asking price again is 4.5 million. I'm gonna head back out and get into the street view. Again, it is very rare to have a garage, and this place has a garage.